Hi, to all the teachers who are joining right now. Glad to see you. Hi. Um, I'm happy to see everyone who has joined this session. Today, I'm Tanya, the founder of LinguaCalm, a language studio. We have a number of language courses, and I am the one who develops lesson plans and creates ideas for all sorts of lessons that we have in the studio. So sometimes I have lots of ideas and I have to work real fast. Sometimes the situation is challenging. Like for example, right now in Israel we have um tremendously difficult situation because of the war. So we are stressed, we're limited in time, and I'm glad that there are tools that help us as teachers to work better and faster. So I just want to go and dive right into it. I want to show you how I I'm going to create a lesson plan for a student who I'm meeting today. We're working on presentations. She has built her presentation. She's going to present very soon. And today I want to teach her how to interact with her audience using um, Mentimeter. It's a nice tool that presenters should definitely um, know. It's fun and it creates a connection between the presenter and the audience. So I really want her to know how to use it. But instead of just, I know how to use it, but there's some instructions, there's some information, instead of just, going over their website and doing like manually doing screenshots and things like that. I want to quickly create like a structure for her. I want to create an overview of the Mentimeter for her. And if there's anything that she doesn't understand, we're going to go to the website and work on it together. So, um, to create a presentation like this, or any presentation on any topic or tool, I use Gamma. And I'm just going to show you how I get there. So I go to Gamma website. It's gamma.ai. Okay, so Gamma AI, you go here. And this is my dashboard. Um, from the dashboard, I click create new. Yeah. And I have four options here. I can generate a new gamma based on the AI general knowledge. I can paste in text that I've written. I can use a template. Or I can actually import a file and turn it into a presentation. In my case, I don't have a file. I just have a Mentimeter website, which I would like to use. So I'm going to pick the first option, generate. Okay. And here it's just like chat. I'm going to explain to AI what is it that I want to make. So I want um create a presentation about um men Mentimeter. Going to paste their website here, mentimeter.com. Okay. Um, Control C. Uh, okay. For a student who is preparing for a presentation, she will use this tool to interact with audience. The presentation should include um, what what is it? Sorry, what it is, how to use it step by step, and a few examples. Provide links. Okay. Okay. Now I'm just going to click generate outline and we'll see what happens. Okay. What I love in Gamma is once it creates the outline, you can go over it and you can change whatever you want. You can change the order of the slides by just dragging them back and forth. You can delete slides by clicking three little dots here. You can delete if you don't like a slide. You can add an extra slide by clicking plus and write your own text. You can also edit text by just clicking here and deleting something or adding something manually. Um, what I also love about Gamma that it creates infographics and images itself. I don't have to go to, to all sort of services. Um, like even in Canva, when I create a presentation, I I do spend some time on searching for the right image. With Gamma, I actually really I just really love their design, the automatic design. So I trust them with the choice. Here I can choose the right theme for me. Like I usually use Breeze, and it's a very gentle, and I like it. But if you like a different color, so there are plenty. You can choose the style of the images that you like. There are more realistic images, there are custom images, so you can click custom and then describe it. Mm, Um, so anyway, um I'm really really fan of Canva's images, so but I don't edit it too much. Let's go over the text. It's a bit tiny, so I'm just going to enlarge it a bit. Okay, so that's the name of the tool, transform your personal presentations from monologue to dialogue. I like the title. This is actually my idea. Um, what is Mentimeter? It's a cloud-based platform. Very nice. It actually took this information from the website. Very good. I use it for a presentation and boost audience engagement. This is exactly what we need. Feedback, enhanced learning, and modernize your deliveries. Well, that is kind of obvious. So I'm just going to delete it. Okay, fine. Next slide. I asked it to create a step-by-step guide. And it does do so. So there's the steps. I love it. Student presentation, choose a theme, add slides and get interactive slides. Customize questions, that's correct. Organize and preview, that's good. Okay. Um, it does give some instructions. Okay. Share the code, that's correct. How to share the presentation with the audience, that's right. Um, and provide some links. I want to make sure that they actually see. Yeah, it does work. That's nice. So before you click on create, we want to make sure that the links use open-ended questions for idea generation. Open-ended example. I don't think that worked really well. It didn't work. Actually, it refers me to the same question all the time. I'm sorry, to the same slide all the time. So the links are not good. I will have to work on that myself. I'll have to edit the images, for example, like to create better examples. Now, there's some tips using Mentimeter, presentation timer. These are great tips, and they're all taken from Mentimeter websites. And there's a link to the website as well. A few words about integration, which I think I can do. That's nice. You can integrate it into PowerPoint. I don't know if we need it. I usually, I don't think we need the slide for this particular lesson, so I'm just going to delete it. So set apart from the links, which I'm going to work on a bit later, I want to generate my presentation, see what happens. So right in front of us, we can see how a presentation is created and how images are created and set. That's so interesting to watch. I love the infographics that it chooses. I love the structure of the slides. I like the step-by-step guide. It's so nice. I mean, for me, having a tool like this is a huge relief. Okay, so as I said, that my presentation is almost ready. Apart from the links that I have to polish a little bit, I'll have to work on the images that I want to add as examples and create correct links. And that would be my task before the lesson. I mean, it's not very difficult, but my presentation is ready and looking good. So to present it, I just click here, present, and here it is. It's ready. I love it. I can also share this link with my student so she can save this presentation, revisit it when she wants to, whenever she wants to. Also, what I love about it is that just closing here some extra links that we don't need. And what I love about it is that it allows me to, first of all, it saves me tons of time on creation, and then it allows me to share it on a website and in Google Classroom, share the link with the students. It's very convenient. It's like a little landing page, basically. So if you liked it, you're welcome to share it with other educators. You're welcome to like this video. And if you'd like to visit, check out Gamma, the link is going to be at the description to this video. Just as the link to Mentimeter, which is a great tool for teachers as well. See you in the next video, and be safe.